What? What do you want? What do you want, buddy? What? You want me to make some chicken skins? You want me to make some chicken skins? I'll do it. You want it? Yeah, you won't sit? Oh, you're laying down. Oh, you're not listening. Sit. No, that's not sit. Good boy. Yeah, we'll make some chicken skins. Yeah. Hey, it's Jill from Jill Went Up the Hill, and today we're gonna make some chicken skins. Hank is excited, as you can hear. What do you think, bud? Yeah? Jax, are you excited? We feed the dogs raw. We see them, you know, as part of the family. They do everything with us, and we feel like feeding them raw is really helpful to their health. And we'll do a video soon of preparing the raw dog food. So, but in the meantime, we take the chicken skins off of the chicken thighs. Yeah, I know. I'm so excited too. And put them in the dehydrator. So I'll show you how we do it. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm going to get everything set up to dehydrate the chicken skins. And this is a Nesco food dehydrator. It's great. We love it. The reason we don't give the pups the chicken skin in with the chicken thighs is it's a little fatty. And when you dehydrate it, it renders a lot of that fat and leaves these nice little crispy chicken skin, almost like potato chips for humans. It's, you know, little chicken skin chips for the pups. So they love it. That's one of their favorite snacks. So basically, just lay these out on the little tray here, and try and get them as flat as possible so so they render a little more quickly. If they're really thick, or if they're overlapped at all, it'll take a little bit longer. So so I try and just, these are huge. I'll try and get them. It's like playing Tetris. Try and just fit every piece in here. And so it's as easy as that. And it takes multiple batches sometimes, which is why I have it in a Rubbermaid container, because I probably won't get all of these done in one go at it. All right, so I just try and lay them out. Try and get as much on here as I can, but really try not to overlap. If you do, I mean, it's really not a big deal, but if I can avoid it, I try to. Grabbing with the sides here, trying not to get everything contaminated. Yeah, we were a little pressed for time yesterday. We did make dog food yesterday, but had a lot of things to get done. So didn't record that or film that, but I would really like to do that the next time around. If you're interested, you know, we love it. As I said, like feeding the dogs raw, and we've just seen their coats are nice and healthy and shiny, and so are their teeth, and feel good about it. And it's not that big of a sacrifice of time. And when you price it out, good dog food is roughly about the same, I would imagine. So that's what we do. If you do, let me know. Let me know what what led you to that point. If your dogs were having health issues, or if you just wanted to feed them a more natural diet, I'd love to hear it. All right. So there we go. I think that's my last one. That's my last tray. So I'll close everything up and save it for the next time. So, you know, it'll take a while, but it's definitely worth it, in my opinion. All right, time time for the seasoning. Using our ground turmeric. Give it a little dusting here. Last one. Right. Time to plug it in and let this do its thing. Here we go. All right, so there we have it. Our food dehydrator is plugged in, and we'll give it about 24 hours, give or take. I always just check it periodically and see how we're doing and see if we're ready for more. But I've got quite a bit left in the in our Rubbermaid container here of chicken skin, so we'll make plenty of treats for the pups, and they'll love it. So I'll come back and show you what they look like when they're fully rendered and ready to go. A quick update to show you what the chicken skins look like now that they've had a good 24, maybe a little less, but give or take 24 hours in the food dehydrator. So I'll show you what they look like. All right, so I'm gonna unplug. Here we go. Which one are you? There we go. So here are our chicken skins, our little chips for the doggies. And they're pretty hot now, but you can see a lot of that fat rendered out, and we're left with little crispy skins. So I'm just going to transfer these into a Ziploc and leave it open so all the heat can escape and not steam up and sog them out. And then I'll just repeat the process. So there we have it, our little chicken skin treats for the pups. They love it. We love doing it for them, and it's just another way to use up some of the resources we have and make everything stretch a little bit further. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and have a great day. Sit. Jaxie, come here. You get one. Sit, Hankies. Oh, you love these. Take nice. Good boy. Hey there, it's Jill from Jill Went Up the Hill, and hanging with Hank. Jax over here is looking nice and comfy. What you doing, buddy? Oh, God. Hey there, it's Jill from Jill Went Up the Hill, and hanging with Hank. Thought I'd make a quick video. Hi, bud. Hi. Give me kisses. Yeah? No? Sniffing me?